Hi everyone, I'm Jessie, a lecturer from the School of Health Sciences. In this sharing, I'm going to introduce our two diploma programs in the School of Health Sciences, namely the Diploma in Nursing and Optometry. We will take a look at the student life and career progression before moving on to learning about the Ngee Polytechnic experience. Before we start off, have you ever wondered, if you could have one superpower, what would it be? It is to save lives, right? No other jobs have the potential to save lives and sight like the training we provide you at the School of Health Sciences. Let's now take a look to see what you will learn as a superhero without capes. At the School of Health Sciences, we groom you to be the next generation of healthcare superheroes. Our top-notch facilities allow you to learn in real-world environments. This includes our Patient Simulation Center, the Optometry Center, fully equipped operating theatres, intensive care units, optometry and nursing labs. In addition, the extended partnership with our industry partners offer comprehensive clinical training opportunities. You can look forward to clinical training experiences with our renowned partners under Singapore's public and private healthcare institutions. You may have heard of the saying, doctors treat, nurses heal. The best doctors in the world wouldn't be able to treat patients effectively without a professional team of nurses to get the patients on the track to full recovery, isn't it? Now think about it. Without a heroic team of nurses who monitors and responds to COVID patients' changing conditions, would Singapore still have one of the best statistics when it comes to survivability? The Straits Times on 21st November 2022 reported that as part of efforts to enhance the nursing workforce, Singapore expects to employ almost 4,000 new nurses by the end of 2023. The nursing career promises excellent career prospects and is always in huge demands in many healthcare settings. This is a sunrise industry where nurses choose the employers and not the other way around. Nursing graduates have one of the highest starting pay. Including the bonus and allowances, it could go up to $5,200 a month. In July 2022, Minister of Health Mr. Ong announced that more than 25,000 nurses in the public sector would receive a special payment between 1.7 to 2.1 months of their base salary, as part of efforts to attract and retain nursing talent. In addition, nursing also provides an equally rewarding pathway to serve the community. A lot of times, we think that social work and psychology are the only pathways to help the society. But the nurse makes the most tangible impact because you will keep the diseases at bay. As a community nurse, you'll be a nurse, counselor, and social worker all rolled into one. As a registered nurse, you can choose to specialize in the following areas, which includes medical, surgical, emergency, intensive care, mental health, oncology, or even research based on your area of interest. Now let's take a closer look at the nursing course to find out more about life as a nursing student in Ngee Polytechnic. First, let us take a look at our nursing curriculum, which is accredited by the Singapore Nursing Board. We provide a holistic nursing curriculum to nurture our learners' head, heart, and hand by providing a strong theoretical foundation, providing quality hands-on experience, and preparing you to meet the demands of our workforce. Our highly qualified teaching faculty with rich industry experience will guide you through the well-structured course modules. Now, an excellent nurse is not just about having competent nursing skills, but also one who can understand his or her patients. This is the reason why all our nursing students give back and learn from the community through service learning, where their path to saving lives starts with the acquiring of empathy. Through the 32 weeks of clinical internship in various healthcare settings, our students are exposed to complex real-world scenarios to apply their knowledge and skills in actual work settings. As Singapore moves towards becoming a smart nation, and the healthcare sector is constantly exploring technology to create healthcare solutions to proactively meet the community needs, we also equip our learners for the digital future of healthcare. Students learn with the latest innovative educational technologies such as AI tutors, AI markers, augmented and virtual reality, metaverse, gamification, e-textbooks, and other tools. All this learning technology enhances your learning experience, making learning enjoyable. In the students' learning journey with us, we expand the borders of our classroom to bring the real world through technology. You may be wondering whether all nursing diploma students would eventually become nurses. I would say yes to a very large extent. According to our graduate employment survey, a very high percentage of our graduates eventually join the healthcare workforce. And our data also indicates that a significant percentage of our nursing students pursue further studies to obtain a bachelor's degree in nursing or other fields of their interest. The nursing diploma opens doors for our students to pursue degrees in varied fields in accredited universities both locally and abroad. Each year, a significant segment of our graduates enter directly into the second year of the nursing degree course in NUS. They can also gain admission to the Bachelor of Science Nursing with Honours program jointly offered by the Singapore Institute of Technology and the University of Glasgow. In year 2022, 2 of our nursing graduates were admitted into the NUS Yong Loo Lin School of Medicine. Our graduates have also pursued degrees in arts, social sciences, psychology, law, biology and life sciences, and even more. Professional nurses can also choose to advance their skills and knowledge in a specialized area by taking up an advanced diploma in areas such as perioperative nursing, chronic disease management and critical care nursing, or even a specialist diploma in palliative care nursing or community gerontology nursing. Let us take a look at our alumni. Ms. Carrie Ong. Despite her energy-sapping fight against COVID-19, she was able to complete her part-time nursing degree from King's College London, graduating with first-class honours. Dr. Kelvin Koh, our graduate from class of 2007, firmly believed that his nursing background would make him a better doctor. Armed with this motivation, he took up medicine and graduated from the University of Western Australia with a medical degree. He's currently working in Melbourne as a palliative care physician. Next, we will take a closer look at the diploma in optometry. Students in this program are trained to be the guardian of our nation's sight. You may be wondering, who are optometrists? They are primary eye care professionals who not only prescribe glasses and contact lenses, but are also trained to detect and manage eye diseases. Our optometry graduates can choose from multiple career pathways. A trained optometrist will be able to work in specialist eye clinics, retail optical outlets, eye research centers, or even multinational eye care companies. They are also equipped with the skill set to set up their own optometry clinic or optical shops. Let's find out more about what optometry students do in their 3 years in Ngee Polytechnic. In this diploma program, we work with industry partners and constantly update our curriculum to ensure our students are kept up to date on their knowledge and skills. They also have multiple opportunities to sharpen their skills during their internship and clinical duties at our very own Ngee Polytechnic Optometry Centre. To ensure our graduates are well-rounded individuals, we adopt a broad-based curriculum where professional communication skills and data analytics skills are also taught to allow our graduates to have an edge over others. During the first year of studies, you will learn about the anatomy and physiology of your eye. This was scaffold to allow the learning of eye diseases and how to detect and manage them. You will also be trained on dispensing of spectacles and contact lenses as well. In year 2, you can sharpen your clinical skills at the Optometry Centre and during the 16 or 25 weeks of internship. Upon graduation, you can register to be a licensed optometrist under the Optometrist and Optician Board. Optometrists are well sought after in Singapore because of Singapore's aging population and the myopia epidemic. For graduates who wishes to further their studies, our diploma is also recognized by many well-known universities in UK and Australia. Graduates will be able to further their studies with exemption at the following universities. They will typically start at year 2 or 3 of the optometry degree program. Optometry graduates are also one of the most highly paid amongst poly fresh graduates in Singapore. They earn an average of $2,800 a month. Armed with the diploma in optometry, our graduates can already start work as an optometrist in retail outlets, eye clinics, hospitals, or even start their own optical business or get involved in research. So what else can you look forward to as a nursing or optometry student? Introducing to you the personalized learning pathway, which allows you to develop an edge over the rest by obtaining a minor in emerging areas or simply based on your personal areas of interest. With the personalized learning path, you can take up a minor certificate program in a field outside of your diploma. I've come to the end of my sharing, and I hope you are now brave enough to jump into an exciting journey where you will be the guardians of our nation's health and sight. We will now proceed on to the Q&A, and we welcome your questions.